Hi everyone, welcome back to Exanion channel. Finally, I have opened my new brokerage account with Interactive Broker after hearing about this for really long because of the recent bought over of TD Ameritrade by Charles Schwab that forced me transfer out my current stock holdings to another brokerage account. And of course, I'm not the accredited investor that Charles Schwab is targeting at the moment. So I decided to explore. And the reason is that I have heard a lot of positive about the Interactive Broker, and also because they are having the sign up campaign for new account users. So I can earn up to 1% of the investment amount in the form of shares of IBKR Interactive Broker. So I just feel like it's time to explore and take advantage of this. And of course, after dive in, I realized that the commission fee that Interactive Brokers offers is actually one of the lowest, even lower than my current brokerage account. In this video, I just wanted to briefly share about my account opening process, and also how to earn 1% bonus shares. The process is definitely very seamless, but let's dive into my personal experience. But first, why I chose Interactive Brokers. As I mentioned, they have the lowest commission and trading fee investing in the shares of the US market from 0.05 cents up to 0.35 cents per shares. For me, the main reason to use IBKR now is to continue gaining the exposure in the US market due to its low fees and good exchange rate. And now let's talk about the step-by-step guide on how to open a new account with IBKR. The process is simple and only consists of three main steps. Firstly, I need to create a username and password. So if you haven't, you can use my referral link in the description box below. Once you click in the account opening link, you just have to use your email address, create a username and password. One email address only allow you to have one account. You will receive an email to verify your email address. After that, you can log in with your username and password. And with that, the page will direct you to enter some personal information. If you are Singapore resident, you can definitely log in your SingPass account to retrieve information. That will ease the whole process. Otherwise, you can still opt to enter the information manually and upload necessary documents and information. It is expected to take within 2 days to receive the approval. However, in reality, I received the approval within 2 hours, which I get notified in the email. And then next is the important step, which is to fund your account. There are several ways, and I personally choose to do a bank transfer. This is linked to your bonus share, so you may consider what amount you feel comfortable to keep it in IBKR for a year. To fund your account, to get the proper instruction, log into your account and click go to transfer and pay, transfer fund, select deposit fund, select the currency that you want to deposit. It can be SGD or USD or any other currency. Then you can click on get instruction, and you are able to see the details about the bank account name, the address, the account number, and also the SWIFT code. Actually, the first step is to notify the Interactive Broker on how much you actually plan to deposit. This is probably part of the security and record purpose. So you can choose the currency and the amount, let's say 10,000, 20,000. It's totally up to you because you have the chance to earn up to 1,000, meaning the maximum that you can take advantage of is about 100,000. Once you submitted this, okay, this is not your committed amount, not to worry. You can always cancel this and re-enter whatever you want to deposit again. So once you get all the details, you can go to your personal bank account and do the transfer. Just a very important thing is that remember to key in your IBKR account number as a payment reference. It takes several hours for me to able to see the deposit amount in my brokerage account. Although sometimes you may feel like why does it take so long, but it is still a very fast process. And after that, how do you get the bonus shares? Okay. Um, So the good news is it is totally automatic. Okay, it is based on your deposit amount, which is like 1% of the deposit amount, and this amount will be adjusted if you suddenly withdraw the amount again, because they have the term and condition is for you to maintain the amount for a year, so they will probably adjust it if you choose to withdraw within a year. And when I open this account, I'm able to receive the stock like within 2 days. I can see the quantity of the share which is fixed. Currently, IBKR shares has been performing since the beginning of the year, from only like less than $90 in January, and it has increased to $110 as of now, around April 2024. If you are also exploring other brokerage account, and this is a perfect timing for you to take advantage of the sign up bonus, and also leverage on the low commission fee with IBKR. My personal strategy for using IBKR is just probably to using dollar cost averaging to invest in the ETF, particularly in the S&P 500 or the QQQ. Other than that, certainly there are many more to explore in IBKR, such as options. And if you're interested in building a portfolio with Impact Lens, I will continue to learn and share a bit more in the coming videos. Anyway, if you are interested to start your investing journey and explore another brokerage account, do sign it up. If you have any questions or any concern, please comment below. Otherwise, I will also appreciate if you can give this video a like, comment how you feel about our channel so far, and share it with your friends. Thank you very much for watching our channel video, and we will continue posting more content like this. Thank you and have a good day.